For my field trip, I chose to focus on the Ding Darling Refuge. I chose it because it was an unexplored world close to home. Located on Sanibel Island, the Ding Darling National Wildlife Refuge is comprised of 6,400 acres of preserve, with over 200 species, including birds, alligators, fish, and wildlife. This is my drawing of the animal I've chosen, the sheep's head fish. I chose it because of how cool it was. It had large spines on its back and razor-edged gills, which are just a few distinct characteristics. Most notably, it has teeth which look oddly human in nature. This refuge also preserves one of the largest mangrove ecosystems in the United States. It was interesting to learn that 90% of commercial fish use the mangroves as a habitat. There are, however, threats to the mangroves I've also learned, such as development and destruction of the coastlines, as well as deterioration of the water quality from runoff. For my primary producer, I've chosen seagrass, a photosynthetic plant, which when decomposes, forms detritus, an organic matter which is the basis of the food chain for many living organisms. One of the takeaways from my field trip is how little I knew of the average turtle. They have existed for over 215 million years and have special glands that help them remove the salt from the water they drink. There are over 30 species of the saltwater snake and belong to the cobra family. They can grow to be 2 meters long and have a smallish body. They also have tails that are flat to swim faster. They eat fish, fish eggs, and eels. With over 6,400 acres of pristine wildlife, the Ding Darling National Wildlife Refuge has much more to offer. With over 200 species of animals and access to a thriving ecosystem, the Ding Darling National Wildlife Refuge is never a dull day.